Hi, you guys. This is just a quick tutorial if you're having some difficulty finding anything in Google Classroom. So I just want to share with you how I have our Google Classroom organized for language arts. So when you go into Google Classroom, I find it difficult to just navigate through this stream here when you first enter. So what I like to do is click Classwork at the top. And when you click on Classwork, that will give you all of these big, bold headings to help you find the information that you need a little bit faster. So you see, like, for example, we have Zoom links here. You can find the Zoom links for your regular schedule, synchronous time, for Wednesday office hours, for small groups. You can find all of your Zoom links right here. Your daily reflections are organized by month, study seek assignments, resources, and schedule information. If you ever need to reference the schedule, it's right here for you. And it goes all the way back to the beginning of the year. When you first log into your classes, another thing that I like to point out in case you haven't noticed is it shows you in each of your classes if you have any upcoming assignments that are due. This is a great place to check daily at the end of each day to see if you have any assignments that need to be completed. And then it'll take you directly to that assignment. It'll show you whether you participated or not, whether it's been returned to you or graded. If something has been returned to you, that means I've graded it. So if there's no grade attached to a returned assignment, then that means that you need to complete it or resubmit it back into me. Okay. All right, so I hope that helps a little bit, but just remember when you first log into the Google Classroom, don't try and navigate through this stream because it can be kind of unorganized. So remember to always click on Classwork at the top so you can find the headings really quickly that you need, and you should be successful in being able to use my Google Classroom. Have a good day.